Hello, everybody. Good morning. Hi, all.
Good morning. Good morning, all.
Morning.
Yeah, we are able to see my screen, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you. One minute. Yeah. So, as per the plan, today I am going to discuss a simple listing because yesterday we have discussed the first listing, right? Today we are going to discuss the second listing, that is 16 to 1 2. Okay. So, whenever you are assigned a listing, go to the mock shells. So, it is a listing. Open the mock shell. And here you can see, so this listing is they want to include the information informed consent form. Informed consent nothing but so any clinical trial, so the clinical trials are done in human subjects. The human subjects are the subjects of the person or the patient who are involved in that clinical trial. He has to give a written proof consent to the CRO people. He agrees all the terms and conditions. So he should understand the project, study design, and so the what is the medication he is going to take, and how much blood loss, and what is the benefits, what is the risk, what are the adverse events he may going to face, etc. Information he should understand, and then he has to give a written proof consent to the people. So that form we can call it as informed consent form. Okay. So here in this listing, so each and every subject, when the informed consent was given to the CRO or clinical operations. Okay. So without informed consent, so no clinical trial was going to done, because due to the regulatory authorities and some local authorities, it is a main and important document should be present before starting the clinical trial. Okay. So here where that information was there in the ADSL data set subject, and in the ADSL RFICDT is the variable. So they want to display that information in the YYYMMDD format. Okay. So we will start the programming. So we already done with the one programming, right? We can take that program as a reference. So that is why yesterday I told you. So whenever you understand the first listing, the other listings, most of the content you can take from this listing only. Okay. So this listing we done yesterday, and we will take this one. So 16 to 1 2. Okay. So just save this program. Where we need to store the programs, go to the project, and in this programs just store the program. Okay. And everything seems so today is 30th January. Fine. And next, library, same Adam library is required. Okay. So run and check. Adam was successfully assigned. Go to the libraries and see the Adam. So these are the data. Fine. So next, you just want to keep the required variable which are mentioned in the mock shell. So here subject and this RFICDT. Okay. So only two variables. Yeah. Just run without any error. Go to here and here. You will see each and every subject. This is the informed consent date. This is in a numeric format, but here all the listings, whenever you are displaying all the variables should be in a character version. But here they are giving numeric version. So what we do? So we need to convert them into the character. Okay. So RF, IC, DT. So we are creating character version. So I created character version. So how to convert the numeric to character? By using the put function. Whenever you want to convert the character to numeric, input function. Whenever you want to convert the numeric to character, put function. So which format they want to convert? YYMMDD tender. Okay. So just I am keeping this variable also in this one. You can see. So we are not changing any data. Okay. Here 2nd May 2019. So here also 2nd May 2019. But all the variables which we are going to use in the listing proc report section, all the variables should be in a character version. So that what happen? We can assign easily left alignment, right alignment, and this is a basic rule. Most of the companies are followed. So whenever you are creating any listing or table, so you can handle anything. But at the final stage, all the variables should be in a character version. Okay. So this is a numeric version present in the data set, but this is the character version we created and we are going to display this information in the proc report section. Okay. And YYPy, so 4 letters of year, 2 letters of month, 2 letters of date. Okay. And it was separated with the space. Okay. That is hyphen. Okay. Same thing. Now the two variables are there. This variable and this variable we are going to display in the proc report section, right? So the remaining part is same. So we are calling the RTF macro and titles and footnotes and etc. So just copy and paste it here. Only the title 3 you need to change. Title 1, title 2 to all the. So you can forget what they mentioned. So we can follow the same thing across all our titles and footnote because we feel that it is our study. So we can give the title 1, title 2 same across all our outputs. Okay. 16 to 1 2. Okay. 16 to 1 2. And this is also 16 to 1 2. Fine. So next proc report section. Just copy this one and paste it here. So yesterday we explained everything, right? So only two variables are needed. So first is use subject ID and second one is this variable character version which we created. Okay. So total cell width is 99. So we can share 50 and 49. 50% to use subject, 49% to RFICDTC. Okay. So just copy this section, paste it here, and here use subject number. They want to keep in one line. There is no split character. So that is why we remove. Okay, everything we get include in the one line. And next is this one. So date of informed consent. Okay. So you can use entire page 14. Done. Okay. Next, this is for above line, this is for below line, and close the output. Yeah, just I'm executing entire program. Yeah, here you can see each and every subject when the informed consent was given by the subject. You will see here 001, 002, 003, etc. So 005 and 006. Next, this is the second site. Second site 001, 002. Next, third site. Okay, 001, 002, and up to 7. Next, fourth site, first subject. Okay, it's the multi-center studies. So that is why each subject. So you will find the same subject numbers. Okay. So this subject was given on the 2nd May 2019. They informed consent the CROs. Okay, and here this program name and this is informed consent. This is title 1, title 2, and this page number, then this date and time. Okay, so this is a straightforward, simple listing, but the logic in this listing is whenever you see any numeric version variable, you need to convert them into the character version variable without changing the data. Okay, so most of the time character to numeric version we are doing for our convenient purpose. Here also we do. We are not changing any data. We're just changing the format of the data because if you are directly using the numeric version, so we can't do sometimes left alignment and adjustments. Okay, so that is why most of the times most of the programmers and companies are following all the variables. We just convert them into the character, and that character version variables we are going to use in the proc report section. Okay, yeah, and so this was done for today, and this I am giving you as a homework. 16 to 14 is a homework for you. So you can see that listing. So here you can see this is a listing 16 to 14. I am giving you as a homework. Okay. So here around 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 variables I am giving for you. So you need to give a proper cell width. Okay. Otherwise, all the variables are not going to fit in one page. Okay. So the tasks are here. So you need to take the information. I just given the annotation. So all the variables are you will find in the ADSL only. So keep all these variables, and wherever the numeric version variables are there, try to convert them into the character version variable like this. Okay. So if it is age is numeric, age C you can create and that variable you can use. And that second task is this height, weight, BMI is there. Here you can see height, weight, BMI should be displayed up to 1 decimal. Okay. So these three also height, weight, BMI also numeric version variable. While convert them into the character, so up to 1 decimal only you can keep. Okay. So many decimals you can find. Here you can see height, weight, BMI. So many decimals are there 94.347136. So I don't want to include all the decimal values. I just want to see 94.3, 89.5 like that. Up to 1 decimal only they want to be displayed. Okay, please check, use resource or anywhere. But uh, so try to work on this one, and all observations are in a left alignment. That means you need to convert everything into left side. So this is not a footnote, this is a program note. So this is a footnote. Okay. So the footnote is already, we mentioned the footnote, right? So footnote should be this one. Sorry. Footnote is where the program is. Okay. So task, you people understand the task, right? So task is fit the eight variables in one page, and wherever the numeric version variables are there, this and this and this, you should convert them into the character, and height, weight, BMI, you have to display up to one decimal. Okay. So not all the decimals, up to one decimal, and give the proper cell width to fit everything into one page. Okay. So and RT01P. Yeah, here the TRT01P there, right? So you will mention all the information. Some missings also there, right? You need to include this missings as well. Okay. So if you are not giving something like missing keyword, I think that missing values may not be print. So be careful. All the data they want to be included. Around 19 observations are there, right? 19 observation information just print and send to my mail ID. Okay, this is my mail ID. So once you've done your homework, please mention your batch number 93 6A batch, and you will send the homework like program and output. You need to send to this mail ID. So I'll check and reply back if any comments are there. If you are not able to do also, let me know in the next class. So we will work on that one and I will show you how to do that one. Okay. So this is for today's class. I'm not taking much time today. So because it is a simple topic and I don't want to put in a extra work on second day itself. From third day onwards, we are going to see magnetizing program, some complex listings also we will see. First, you have to understand the process now. Okay. So yesterday one listing and second day one listing. So you will understand the process. Then even tables and figures also we are going to use some of the part from this listing like proc report section and this titles and footnote stuff. We are regularly using the same stuff. That is why just do the practice at first listing and second listing and complete this homework as early as possible so that you will get a confidence on the programming part. Then you can able to do anything. Okay. Yeah, anybody having any doubt on previous class, this class, or any other general doubts also, you just unmute and ask me one by one. I'll clarify.
Yeah, hi, good morning, sir. This is Saurabh.
Yes, Saurabh, tell me.
Sir, like after the yesterday's class, I tried to write a program in SAS, but I'm getting error, like I'm not able to resolve that. Like I'm not able
Yeah,
to understand the error itself.
yeah, you can share
So,
your screen if it is open from your end. We'll see.
okay, sir, I'll start sharing my screen.
Okay.
Please let me know once it's visible.
Yeah, I can.
Sir, actually, I tried to use the Adam dataset, and
Mhm.
these are the variables. Like I tried multiple variables.
Okay.
So I took use subject ID treatment arm, ATM reported and
Okay.
standardized start day end day. So these are
Okay.
the
Just
variables.
mm, just run that part. So we'll see any error there up to that one.
Yeah, actually I just run it. So it says it's not valid, it's out of proper order.
Okay. 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 So no, no, no. First you run only the up to data step.
Okay.
Step by step we'll see. So it's fine. Okay. Next. Just title, footnotes, option orientation, RTF file, go down. Proc report section missing use of JD. We are giving everything. Okay, done. Okay, underscore all underscore. That is not all underscore. ODS underscore all space underscore. So last line
Okay.
ODS underscore all and space close. Yeah, now you can see highlighted everything in a keyword.
Mm-hmm.
Now,
Right, right.
now yeah, so just run. Now you are able to open, right?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Yeah, just apply that RTF macro so that you will get a proper RTF style, which we use a macro, right?
Mm,
So
right.
you can also apply that macro so you will get a proper output. Okay, fine.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Yeah,
Got it. Thank you very much, sir.
yeah. Any other person having a doubt?
Hi Shiva. This is
Yeah.
Shravya. I just joined the class today. Yesterday I
Hmm.
have missed the class and I have registered for this course today itself.
Okay,
Uh,
just go to the recording videos. Just ask the these numbers. They will share the share folder access. Okay. So yesterday class and demo class videos are there, recording videos. Try to watch that video. Any
okay.
doubts regarding that one, let me know. So I'll explain. Okay. So
Okay.
only
And
one
also,
class was. Yeah.
I don't have the SAS studio installed in my desktop,
Yeah.
so
Just ask this
they'll help
person.
me,
They
right?
will. Yeah. This person they will install the SAS 9.4 version.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, Shiva. Yeah.
Yeah. Please note these numbers. Okay.
Yeah, sure. I have taken the photo of that. And also, how can I get the data? They'll help
Yeah.
me
There.
also.
Everything
Yeah.
is there in the share folder. So you
Okay.
can find
Sure.
from there.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. Yeah, so our next class is tomorrow, 31st Jan. So we'll cover these three listings at a time. Means these three listings will do two listings. I will do macrotizing programming, how to handle a single programming to generate these two outputs, and I'll give this as your homework tomorrow's class. Okay. So first you complete this homework, then we'll see the next class in tomorrow, 6 a.m. sharp. Okay. So if nobody having any doubts, we can close the call for today and we'll meet you tomorrow to discuss the one more listing. Okay. Please practice. Please
Uh,
practice. I always telling. Yeah. Yeah,
yeah,
tell me.
hi Shiva.
Yeah.
So what are the efficacy concepts in the tables which are covered? Can
Yeah.
you give a
Here you
brief
can
of
see.
that?
Here you can see our object response rate and time to event, and here you can see follow up time. These are the three main types of tables which you can see in most of the oncology studies. Okay, so here objective response rate means what is the best overall response related statistics and so 95% C and P values. This is the time to event, like by using the Kaplan-Meier. So what is the time to event related median values and p value? And this is a follow-up time related tables. Okay, we'll see in depth. So I'll take in a class on this table and I'll explain a PPT and explain everything like what are the values and how to analyze this, etc. We'll see. As well as here you can see these all the figures completely related to the oncology figures only. And here the data sets are STT and EFF. These three most important ADAM data sets you can see in any oncology studies. Okay. So this also I am going to cover. So we'll see, going on upcoming sessions, we'll have an in-depth discussion and so little bit complex, but these are the more helpful. Okay.
Oh, yeah, thank you. So apart from oncology, the other efficacy, I mean, related to the other studies, can we get the resource for that also?
So if you want to know, so we'll provide one more COVID-19 project as well after the completion of this training. So for your practice. So if you want one neurology, one COVID-19 project also, I'll provide. Okay.
Yeah, thank you.
So totally, so three projects you can your hand. Okay, guys, we'll meet you tomorrow, 6 a.m. Indian time. Bye, everybody. Have a nice day.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Shiva. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Bye all.